Today we are building alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First we need a tub and a lid. Now we need the sticker for the top of the lid, which will have the letter M, an uppercase M and a lowercase m. Now we will put a sticker on the tub. We're going to put the letter M. Once again, it's an uppercase M and a lowercase m. Next, let's put the sticker on the bottom of the lid. And it has an uppercase M and a lowercase m. Wonderful. Now let's find the things that go in the tub. First, we're going to find the uppercase M. Next, we will find the lowercase m. Next is a mug. That's a type of glass that you drink out of. Mug. Next is a mirror. You can see yourself in a mirror. Next, we are going to find a mop. There's a mop. Next is a carton of milk. Next is a mailbox. And the last one is a mouse. Let's review and put things in the tub. We will start with the uppercase M. Now the lowercase m. The mug. The mirror. The mop. The milk. The mailbox. And the last thing is the mouse. We're all done. We can put the lid on it and put it away. After the letter M is the letter N. See you next time.